From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dealing with a lost or broken remote control for your adjustable bed? I've got a solution that's going to change your life, and it's called the Replacement Remote Control Fits iDealBed by Rickif. This top-rated remote control is a bestseller for a reason, and I'm excited too. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice among adjustable bed owners. One of the standout features of this remote control is its compatibility with the iDealBed iEscape adjustable bed base, specifically models 4AW110, 4AW112, and 4AW113. The pairing process is also incredibly easy, with 3 different methods to choose from. You can pair the remote by pressing and holding the head down and foot up buttons, or the head up and foot up buttons, or even the head up and foot down buttons, all while holding the reset coding button on the side of the control box. When you hear the beep, you'll know it's paired. The buttons have a nice tactile feel to them, and the beep is loud and clear, so you'll never miss it. The result is a seamless and convenient way to control your adjustable bed, with features like adjusting the head and foot of the bed with ease. You'll love the feeling of being able to customize your bed to your exact preferences, whether you're reading a book, watching TV, or just relaxing. This remote control is also a great replacement if you've lost or damaged your original remote, and it's a more affordable option than buying a new one from the manufacturer. I've found that this remote control is better than others on the market because of its ease of use and compatibility with a range of adjustable bed models. The excellent after-sales service provided by Rickif is also a major plus, giving you peace of mind and support if you have any questions or issues. Overall, as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.